Hey guys, this is Shannon with AVARigs, and we'd like to show off some of the builds that we build here every day. And a lot of times we get caught up and enamored with some of the high-end liquid cooling. We show off a lot of the custom hard tube bands, soft tube, big crazy RGB lit systems. We kind of lose track or sometimes lose sight of the fact that every day we build really badass systems that maybe are air-cooled or a little more simple, built for a defined purpose. And that's what we have here. We have a Corsair Crystal 460X. This thing is in white, not like the original black one launched. It has an H370 board. It has a i7 8700, so not the K, not unlocked, not for crazy overclocking, but still plenty capable. 6-core processor with a 1050 Ti. So an awesome gaming rig. Granted, it doesn't have all the big pretty effects of like a hard tube liquid cooled system or something like that, but still in its own right, it's a sexy system that has tons of performance, built custom by AVADirect, and even you could get a system like this at a relatively good value, custom built, made to look like a masterpiece for your showcase system without having to go to the crazy extreme sometimes you see, and you will see on AVARigs on future episodes as we show you some of the awesome stuff our team here builds. If you're looking forward to some great content coming out of our team here at AVADirect, please join us on our social media channels such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And be sure to like and subscribe to this channel so you get notifications when we upload brand new videos to get you the newest in tech every day.